I'm Chef Cynthia Louise, and welcome to your 14-day stop. 1, 2, 3, action. Sticky tofu with that savory, sweet, and a hint of chili and that saltiness of tamari. Oh my God, this is the default takeaway meal and it is amazing. It's what we love, don't we? We just it's like you've worked all day and you're tired and you really don't want to cook anything. And this one sets you up for success. So, ingredients ready, intention clear. Remember that, this is what it's all about, right? It's getting that intention clear because it goes into the dish. I've got a lovely stainless steel wok here. You could use a frying pan, but it's really good to have a big surface area, so that's why I'm using this wok. It's on medium heat, and you're gonna add in your ingredients to here, except for the tofu. Now the reason why is we wanna get this sauce that's really quite runny to be a little bit sticky. So, water first. Then you're gonna add your coconut sugar, your maple syrup. Yes, 2 sugars. The reason why is they create such a beautiful balance. You're gonna add your sesame seed oil. It's so easy. Oh my gosh, and it's so yummy. Tamari. And 1 orange juiced. I know, right? This just brings it home. And lastly, some chili flakes. Now this is optional. The more heat, the less heat, but it does add that lovely flavor to things. So I'm just gonna add, we like ours spicy, so I'm gonna add quite a bit. So around about a teaspoon. Onto high heat and allow that to boil. In the meantime, you wanna make sure that your tofu is ready to rock and roll. So I've got a soft tofu, and I'm talking really soft, not a silken, it's soft. You can have a medium tofu, but hard and firm, definitely not. This is really one for the medium soft kind of variety. And what you want to do, as this is boiling away, have a look at this. So the outside of this beautiful, oh my God, it's so fragrant, it's so beautiful, of this marinade is starting to boil and simmer away. I want this to happen, I want it to reduce, but I also want to watch it because it starts to splatter up the sides and I don't want to lose that. So grabbing a spatula and making sure, you can kind of see here, you can see it splattering up the sides here. You want to make sure that you get your spatula and just run around the actual pot and push it back in. It's a very quick moment. It's not like you're scraping around, so just watch this. Off the sides, back into the marinade. Oh my God, it's gonna get so sticky and so delicious. Now this is a real rapid boil. So what you're gonna do is turn it down to a low simmer. Oh, that's kind of quieting things down, right? Now your rice is cooking. Don't forget that, you must have your rice cooking. And that's kind of doing its thing in the rice cooker so you don't have to worry about anything. Back to your tofu. I'm gonna cut it into logs like this. It's not going to go in yet, because if that goes into there now, with how kind of fluid and liquidy, is that even a word this is, it's just going to fall apart. So I want it to get a little bit sticky. So back to the pot, having a look in there and scraping down the sides. This is going to take around about 5 to 8 minutes. And I'm just going to navigate the heat. In other words, it's a dance, right? So up full blast. Now it's really going for it. I'm just going to stand back and look at it. I know, this is what cooking is, right? All the intention you can. This is all for your human organs. This is just the way to go for optimal health. That tastes amazing. Now you can kind of tell how this is not caramelized down yet by just getting a spoon and just seeing how runny this is. It's really starting to get nice and thick now. Oh yeah. So before it gets too thick, you're going to add your pieces of tofu into the pan. Just gently, because they're going to bathe in this stickiness. Don't be afraid if some of it breaks, like it has just here. Just pop it in. Now have a close look at this. It's on really low heat. Get your spatula again. Now just allow the tofu, just gently like this, to swim around in this marinade. I mean, have a look at how lush this is becoming. Yep, nearly. I'm just going to put some rice in a bowl. As that's just doing its thing. Okay, and we're ready to serve. It's been about 5 minutes and this whole place is smelling like an Asian takeaway store. It's incredible. So what you're going to do is grab a spoon and you're going to place each gorgeous log on top of the rice, just like this. And then lastly, some of this beautiful, lush, sticky marinade. And I mean lush, it is lush. And then sprinkle some spring onions on there. Some more chili if you want. I do. Dinner is served. Oh yeah, midweek special.
My favorite.
See you in the next video.
Yeah, it's got to be. And we're gonna. Put yes on them.
It's got to be that soft tofu, right?
Mm-hmm.